Hello guys, in this video I will show you the steps on how to recover Wix website. Thank you very much in joining us here today. So here in the website, I'm going to presume that we deleted a website here and that you need to get it back. Essentially is what we mean. And what you need to do is navigate to your website dashboard, and obviously we've got the sites that you've got associated with your account in this drop-down list. And if you've gone so far as removing that site, move it to the trash, then is a process that we can go through to recover it, which luckily fairly straightforward and easy when you've got this little drop down here selected and you've got display of your site. If you click the go to my sites button there, that will take us here and you should be able to see your trash folder there, as well as all the website that you've currently associated with your account. All will be seen below here. So if you click that trash folder, you'll see that here's a site I deleted earlier. And when I hover it, I've got the option then to restore it. Okay, so as long as it is still in your trash folder, you can get it back. So if I restore that, it asks me if I'm sure I want to do it. And I will remain unpublished until I publish it, is what it says. As well, if I do restore it. So by doing that, it's successfully restored, and then I go back to my sites, and then I can see it in the list again. And that is the process you go through to restore a site, and that concludes our video tutorial. If you have a question, just comment down below and I'll get you back as soon as possible for our more videos. But before we end this video, please do hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.